welcome to Bob and Kelly's Martini Monday.
Where we are mixing up a brand new martini for you guys every single Monday of the year. Of the year. That's a lot of martinis.
It is a lot of martinis, and this is August, so what is our theme?
We are doing Starbucks inspired martinis this month, and this is...
We're taking our...
one?
This
is the last one of
This is the
August.
last one. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
no.
August is
so far,
like
these Starbucks drinks have been awesome.
Yes. Very much. And this is another one of my favorite Starbucks drinks is the Caramel Ribbon Crunch Frappuccino. So we're gonna do a Caramel Ribbon Crunch Frappuccino inspired martini.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, that's a mouthful, isn't it?
It is especially when you say the Frappuccino.
Frappuccino.
So it's gonna be a blended drink, so we're gonna use our little blender. So we're gonna mix everything in the blender, put in some ice, and then we're gonna
blender up.
You got it.
Yeah, we've got our martini glasses chilling in the freezer at the moment, so they're nice and cold when they're ready for the martinis.
So let's just get this puppy started.
We're gonna start with
3 ounces of whipped cream vodka. And we have these little bitty.
We have the little baby whipped cream
little
vodkas.
Airplane size.
Yes.
Whipped cream vodkas.
Yeah.
And there's like 2 ounces in each one of these bottles.
Yeah, and as always, this recipe is for 2 martinis.
Yes.
So not just one, it's for 2.
Por dos.
Por doce.
Actually, that one didn't have 2.
Oh, it didn't. So good thing we had 2, right?
Yeah.
Because we need 3 ounces.
We need
of this,
3 ounces.
Correct? Okay.
So there is 2.
2 and 1.
And 1.
Cool.
So that's almost 3 ounces.
Almost. You know, you might as well just drink the
Waste
rest,
not, want not.
Right? I've never had whipped cream vodka on its own. Is it good?
Nah.
It's
all right. It's vodka. It tastes like whipped cream.
Okay, sounds good.
So now we're going to use 2 ounces of Kahlua because, of course, we need that coffee.
Right.
That coffee taste.
Yeah,
in there.
because it is Starbucks inspired. Starbucks
and this is a
good
good coffee liqueur. I love Kahlua. It is a very good drink.
Yeah, we've used Kahlua in quite a few of our Starbucks inspired.
Okay.
Inspired.
And then we're going to use 2 ounces of cold brew coffee. And once again, the cold brew is less acidic, but it's also stronger.
Yeah.
So
this is just straight cold brew.
Cold brew. 2 ounces right there.
All right. And then we need an ounce of half and half.
An ounce of half and half.
Half and half.
Just to give it come in a little creamy.
Yeah, because if you guys ever get a frappuccino at Starbucks, it's all about the creaminess.
It's all about the creaminess.
Yes.
So there's an ounce of half and half.
Very good.
And, you know, just for giggles.
Just for giggles.
We're gonna squirt some caramel in there.
Okay.
We have a little bit of caramel sauce in this little dispenser here.
Yeah, how did you make the caramel sauce?
The caramel sauce, I had caramel, like, this is very thick. I had caramel beads, which we got at the grocery store.
Right.
Melted them down and put a little half and half in with it.
Okay.
To make it more liquidy.
Okay.
So anyway, so we got it all in my nice little blender cup here. My blender, what do you call this thing?
It's a blender.
It's a blender.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
you need some ice.
Then we're gonna use some ice. This is about 1.5 cups of ice. Right there.
And we're gonna play you some jazzy music while Bob blends.
I gotta get my lid.
Oh, yeah, that would be good because you don't want it going everywhere, do you?
Nope. Lid.
We kept our caramel sauce kind of warm in some hot water here.
Yeah, if it's a little tight, you can always loosen it up a little half and half.
Exactly.
So.
More ice, do you think?
Yeah, I think we need more ice.
Okay, need more ice.
As always, we don't usually try these before we do it on camera, so you get to be the lucky ones to see the experiment. It's just a little bit too loose. We need just a little more ice to tighten it up just a little bit more. So I would say 2-3 cups of ice maybe.
Yeah, probably. There we go. More ice.
I think that's better.
That's gonna be better.
Yeah.
Much better. Let me get our glasses.
So now we need glasses. I think Kelly's gonna do some like caramel drizzle in the glasses, are you?
Probably, yeah. Here's our glasses. They've been in the freezer.
Nice and frosty.
Nice and frosty. And I'm gonna drizzle just a little bit. In the glass.
A little swirly swirl.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
No.
Because your liquid's going in there anyway.
Right.
So.
I'm gonna go ahead and start pouring this in. Oh, that looks good.
So, you know, it's not pretty, but it's a drizzle. That looks good. Nice and frothy.
And sprinkle a little caramel on top.
Yeah, I'm gonna drizzle a little caramel on the top.
Oh, yeah, there you go. That's awesome. This is the first time I actually liked having a swirly.
Sometimes swirlies are good.
Sometimes
I'm gonna
swirlies are
take
good.
a little bit of caramel.
We used Werther's, and I just kind of crushed it up with a little mallet.
Werther's caramel coffee candies.
Mm-hmm.
We just crushed them up, and we're just gonna.
This gives us the crunch in our caramel ribbon crunch.
Exactly.
Just as a garnish. Oh, looks so
That's
good.
so pretty, isn't it?
So good.
I want a little bit more.
I'm kind of shy of frozen drinks anyway, because I get brain freeze really easy. So I'm kind of hoping this isn't too.
That looks nice.
That looks really nice.
As always, we're gonna pause for pictures.
Pause for pictures. All right, here we go.
Caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino. Cheers.
This is gonna be good. It's really weird because the
I got
caramel,
a caramel.
when it gets cold, it turns into ribbon.
I know it does.
Which is what we wanted, ribbon crunch.
That's good.
Okay, so here's the thing.
Okay.
I've never had a caramel ribbon crunch. Kelly, how close is it?
It's very good. It's very close to. Ooh, I'm getting a brain freeze.
See, I told you, frozen drinks.
Frozen drinks give you a brain freeze.
Brain freeze.
Yeah. It's very close. It's a little, of course, alcoholic. So.
Yeah, so you do taste the alcohol. But the whipped cream vodka is very nice. It gives it that whipped cream flavor.
It does. This is one that you can't drink very fast.
No,
But-
this one's gonna be a sipper for sure.
Yeah, it's gonna be a sipper because it's gonna give you a brain freeze if you drink it too fast.
But it's really good.
It is really good. Definitely icy. Definitely you can taste the vodka in it, I think.
Yeah, and I like the crunch of the
I do
caramel.
like the crunch because it's kind of like a snack.
It is.
Yeah.
And it's just, you know, because that's what it is. It's caramel ribbon crunch. You have crunch in it. So this is the crunch.
You get the crunch from the ice and from the candies that
Uh-huh.
sprinkle on top.
So it's awesome. It's awesome.
So far, I liked the last one we did. The white chocolate mocha.
The white
one.
chocolate mocha one
best.
was really good.
This
but
one
the
is
strawberry,
good.
the strawberry acai and the white chocolate mocha are my favorite. Well, I don't know. I like the chai tini too.
I like the chai tini.
The chai tini. So I'm thinking Starbucks, we hit like almost 5 out of 5.
The strawberry acai and the white chocolate mocha, I think, were my two favorite.
Mine was the chai tini and the strawberry acai.
I feel like I want to like mix this one up and then drink it.
No, I like the little bites of caramel on the ribbon. I think it's
It's
cool.
funny when it gets frozen. It's like you can almost pick it up.
I know, you could like a caramel
Like,
snake. Look, caramel snake.
Caramel snake.
No, I like that because that gives you a big pop of caramel.
It does.
So that's my favorite. Yeah.
That part's good. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not done so already, please do us a huge big favor. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video, and hit the notification bell so that you know when we post.
Yes.
And we will see you next time.
Yeah, so
Okay.
next month is September.
Yes.
And we're doing foreign country inspired
Foreign
drinks.
country inspired drinks.
Yes.
Because we're going on our cruise
We're
to
going.
Norway.
Oh yeah.
So, what was that? All right.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we are not doing a Norway inspired
No,
drink,
we're not.
by the way. Yeah.
But we are doing 4 different countries, 4 different flavors.
Yeah.
And it's going to be dynamite.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll see you guys next month. Take care. Have a great day.
Love you. Bye.
Love you, bye.